Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 21st, 2022. We are going to talk about Litecoin today. I'm going to update you all as to where I think price is about to go. So yeah, you hit a pretty good video. You clicked on a very good video because I'm one of the only people here on YouTube that is dropping price predictions on the price chart without the confusion. There's no hype, there's no FUD, there's no FOMO. I'm simply here trying to pinpoint and forecast where price is likely to go so that you and I can both profit and capitalize from the move. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions, and that is it. That's it. That's the only thing that people are really worried about is the price. If you think about it, even though people try to drop some type of research or some type of article on their videos, or they're trying to give you some new technical indicator, they're trying to get you to buy some expensive type of charting software, it always stems down to one thing and one thing only. It's the price. So why do we need to focus on everything outside of the price? We need to be paying attention what people are buying and selling. At what price are people buying and selling? Because that will tell us what people think as a collective behavior. The price chart is that game, is that stadium to where we can see everybody's ideas, everybody's. From you, from me, from the big hedge funds to the institutions who are trying to accumulate cryptocurrencies. We can see everybody's trades. Yes. So that's the only thing we really need to focus in on. So let's look at this. Make sure you all hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I would recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because you do not, and I repeat, you do not want to miss out on my videos. All right. So check this out. Did a video here on Litecoin on March the 19th. Let me zoom in on this chart because this has been a price prediction that has been ongoing for a while. Yeah, I had this price prediction ever since February the 27th, 28th of 2022, of which I was looking for Litecoin to go up. I was telling everybody around that time, hey, yeah, I think Litecoin is going to go up in price. And finally, the market in Litecoin did it on March the 24th. I did an update video on March the 19th. So not long after March the 19th, price in Litecoin actually came up here to our ultimate TP area, which is around $125 right there. 15.38% is the amount of profitability you could have gained. This is simple because I didn't give you all a price target of, let's say, 150. No, I said we could possibly see price turnover around $125, and the market high in Litecoin went up here towards 134. Pretty much, we was in the ballpark as to where price began to turn over and go down. This is why you have to know when to get in and know when to get out. Don't overstay your welcome at all times. Be careful of people who want you to stay in a position for 10, 15, 20 years, because you will be ending up losing out on profitability. So again, 15.38% right there. Now let's talk about something though. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out and I want you all to see what the behavior of all market participants has been in Litecoin, right? And you guys can see something very important off of this price chart. I'm gonna keep it a buck, I'm gonna keep it real. Majority of the trades since the beginning of 2021 has occurred above this line, right here. All majority of the trades has occurred above what, $100. So it seems to me that $100 is going to be a very important psychological number for the buyers. This is where the buyers find price attractive in Litecoin. It's just that simple. They want to come in and buy Litecoin at 100. So as time goes on, if we ever see Litecoin break $100 to the downside, be prepared for the market to be massively weak. This is what this chart is telling. It's telling us that the behavior of the people, if it ever breaks $100, it tells that the buyers are no longer there. They left. They're not willing to buy Litecoin no more at $100. So yes, pay attention to this horizontal line as we continue to trade in 2022, 2023. As long as price stays above $100, then we know that buyers are still present at that price level. Now, let me zoom in, because the market is not really giving us too much though, right? We're not really seeing a whole lot of price movement in Litecoin. We're just bouncing off $100, hitting 140, coming back down to 100, stable around 100, go up, get rejected at $130, and now we're back down towards 100. Wow, look at that. Have you noticed something? Let me show you, because I want to teach you all and show you how this game is about to be played. We saw the market get rejected here, right? That was the first area, around 140. Litecoin went back up in price, but we got rejected at 130. Look at that. We're making lower highs. It seems to me like the buyers are running out of steam every time Litecoin tries to go up. So the next area that we need to be paying attention to is going to be here, 120. Right? This is the next level that the buyers going to have to really take out in order for us to say that, man, they're back in control. The buyers haven't left. We need to see them break this to the upside. We need to see that. If we don't see it, then we know that these lower highs is still controlling the market. The sellers are still controlling the price in Litecoin, and the ultimate battle is going to occur at $100. Okay. So now let's go ahead and see what we got though. Let's look at this on a 2-day time frame. Okay. So this is Litecoin here on a 2-day. What do you think? What do you think the chances are of us seeing Litecoin come up to $116 to $120 looking at this chart? Does it look pretty good? Okay. What about on a 3-day? Does it look pretty good? What about on a 5-day? Like, because what I'm seeing on these different time frames in Litecoin is that, yeah, we could see price go up, but again, it doesn't look that strong. It doesn't look like price is going to break back up to 150, given how much selling has been going on recently. I could see slight strength. I'm not going to say it's maximized strength. I'm not going to say it's massive strength. It's a little bit of strength here. I can see it, but it's not that big, right? It's not that big. 2 weeks. What do you think? 3 weeks. What do you think? I really need to see price in Litecoin break 120 to the upside before I really be saying, man, there's a lot of strength on this chart. Man, the buyers are really controlling this price. Until I see that, there's only a slight hint of strength being seen on the chart. So I'm not going to be massively bullish. Let's look at this on the monthly first, right? Now you tell me, I mean, how does this look? Let's break this down to an intraday basis, because I think the price in Litecoin is trying to go up, maybe to 116 to 120, but that's probably about it. So let's see this. For us to go up to 116, that's 3.43%. For us to hit 120, it's around 6.7. Is that a play? Should we run that? Should we actually anticipate price in Litecoin hitting 120? What do you think? Is it worth the play? Because ultimately, it's going to be your decision as to whether or not you're going to play or participate in the market. That's one of the fascinating things about free markets, is that nobody's forcing you to come in and buy and sell. You get to dictate at what price you're willing to buy. You get to dictate which price you're willing to sell. You also get to dictate whether or not you're going to participate on any given day. What would you do? Would you play the strength here into the market in Litecoin, or would you let it go? All right. So let me go ahead and do this. Yeah, we're going to have to be careful though on this one, because I'm seeing at 115, 116 price level as a hard, it could be a hard area to where the sellers are at. There's only 2.37%. So I'm not going to put on a price prediction. I don't think it's worth it right now. We need to continue to see the price in Litecoin trade. See buyers take out 120. before I get bullish into the market. So I'm not going to put on a price prediction, a price target right now. I will state that yes, this chart is reflecting some slight strength, but I first want to see price break up above 120 before we really continue to go long, right? Now it's your turn. I mean, again, I wanted to show you that everything doesn't have to be an opportunity to come in and participate. If it doesn't look like anything's going to work out in your favor, you don't come in and play. You wait until the terms and conditions are in your favor. And as of right now, like today, like as this very second, I don't see either way that is going to be in our favor right now. I see strength on the chart. So yes, there is some strength here on the chart in Litecoin, but it's just not to the point where I can say, yeah, let's go ahead and put on a play. Let's go ahead and predict that price is going to go up. Now, as time goes on and I see price break above $120, then hey, we already know what's up. We already know what the market is trying to do. So let's just see. Let's just hold out and let's see whether or not the buyers are really going to take that lead, take that leap, and actually break that price up above 120. All right. So now you let me know though, what do you think about Litecoin? And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.